hours I've put in my ass on this match in a long run. Colin, like, take this from one, like, it's been an exceptional coach, like, no shortcuts I've taken, so it's only hard work. He never let me pay for any belt. He made me earn any single belt, and that's totally different for what we see on those days. Like, work for it to get it, and not just paying off. Thank you.
What he was before. I thought about this moment a lot in since I started, you know, and it's never what you think it's going to be. Even the journey, like I came here like 16 years ago with a blue belt, and all I had was this. Mario showed up with a few people, and then we have this. And it's like, you know, it's not the journey, it's not the destination, it's the moments. And this is a true moment, you know. And just be in it for a minute, rather than what you're going to do next or what your hard gains are. And for me, you just can't do it alone. Otherwise, it's just me in this fucking room. But this mat is the original mat. Like 16 years, I've kept it for that reason. Everyone's been on this mat. Everybody. And it's not about being the best at doing arm bars or the best triangles. If that's where you are, that's where you are. You glue what you glue. You gotta be a black belt on the mat, off the mat. And that's in all aspects of your life. Whether you're truthful, whether you're loving, whether you're looking after your body, looking after relationships. And it's truly something you need people behind your back. You can call at 2 o'clock in the morning, say, look, there's a dead stripper in the back of my car. and they're there in 5 minutes and they don't ask you what happened. And then the kind of people that you meet, very few, and probably when it happens. Right? It's just, history repeats itself. But for me, like I'm lucky to have like started keeping in check. In the last 5 years, I've learned more about life than all the years I did before then. I've done a lot of different things and wore a lot of different hats and been into a lot of places. But in the last 5 years, I'm not perfect. But every day I'm trying to do more to get better. She's been like, she got me here. Last year, I couldn't walk. Yeah. I sat outside with Mario and I said to him, like, they're not doing this since like 2001. It's for me to choose who I get a black belt off. It's not for someone to give it to because I won't take it off them. And I said, I'm from you. Because it's like what Trevor's done and all the guys from White's done, you know, what Mario's done, Bizarre's done, what they've all done. They built the collective, it's a sound system. He brings the records, he brings the fucking needle, he's got the amp, he's got the speakers. Goose is on the push. That's all it is. It's not shit. It's not right? It's not about jiu-jitsu. Like it's what gets us in the room, what keeps us in the room is the brotherhood, is the collective, is the sound system. And just think of it like that rather than on better arm bars or whatever fucking issue you want to do. Or not. You know, we're martial artists at the end of the day. Thanks for being here. And thanks for being part of like a big day for me personally.